My dear learners, respectable guardians and viewers, at first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome everybody to online class. I hope all are keeping well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. I am introduce myself. MD Sultan Ahmad, Assistant Teacher, Korlasuri RS High School, Longudu, Rangamati. Dear participant, I am going to take English class for the student of class 8, 9, 10. I hope all of my students will stay and join my class. Dear participant, today I discuss English second part. Okay, dear participant, let's see a video. Okay, learners, we see a video.
Thank you. It is my garden.
What's your name?
My name is Bilas.
How pretty the roses are!
I take special care of my garden. Be careful. Don't move.
Thank you. You saved my son's life. May Allah bless you.
Dear student, I hope all of my students understand what things today I discussed. Today I discuss kinds of sentence, definition of sentence. Now, dear participant, by the end of the lesson, student will be able to classify sentences into 5 groups from 5 kinds of sentence. Okay, dear student, we know the definition of sentence. I tell the definition of sentence. A sentence is a group of words expressing a complete sense or meaning. Okay, dear student, we know the sentence are 5 kinds. There are dear student, look at the board. Drag and match the sentence which their types. We say some sentence. What a beautiful garden it is. What is your name? My name is Bilash. Be careful. May Allah bless you. Now match the sentence. Dear student, first, what a beautiful garden it is. I match the sentence. Strong feelings by making an exclamation. Now the second, what is your name? Question. Third sentence, my name is Bilash. A statement, assertive. Be careful, command or order. Now the next sentence, may Allah bless you. Wish or pray. Dear friend, we know the 5 kinds of sentence. There are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Now the next. We play football. We did not play cricket. Rahman is a brilliant student. Rahman's brother is not a brilliant student. Radia likes vegetable. Maliha does not like vegetable. We see the sentence, there are assertive sentence. Now all the statements are assertive sentence. They are not. They are of two types: affirmative and negative. Affirmative and negative. Now the next time I tell, all the statements are assertive sentence. They are of two types: affirmative and negative. Okay, now match the sentence. Assertive sentence, affirmative sentence and negative sentence. We play football. Radia likes vegetable. Rahman is a brilliant student. Negative, we did not play cricket. Malia does not like vegetable. Rahman's brother is not a brilliant student. Dear learners, we know assertive sentence are two types: affirmative and negative. Okay. Next, dear learners, write 4 assertive sentence, 2 affirmative and 2 negative. About the picture, we see a picture. Okay. Now I write the answer. Affirmative, it is a playground. It is a playground. The children are playing. That's assertive sentence. Negative, they are not sad. The weather is not bad. It's negative. Now the next, dear learners, we see some sentence. Have you ever visited Japan? Do you like sweets? What is your favorite sports? Where were you born? All questions are interrogative sentence. All questions are interrogative sentence. They are of two types: WH question and yes or no question. Again, all questions are interrogative sentence. They are of two types: WH question and yes or no question. We know interrogative sentence are two types. They are WH question and yes or no question. We see some question here. Dear learners, next slide. Interrogative sentence. Where were you born? What is your favorite sports? Do you like sweet? Have you ever visited Japan? WH question means question with which, what, why, how, when, whom. Yes, dear student, we know the WH question means which, what, why, how, when, whom is a WH question. Now the next, yes or no question, answer will be only yes or no. When answer will be yes or no, it's interrogative sentence. Dear learners, drag and match the question with their answer. Do you disturb your friend? Do you love your motherland? Who is the artist of the Shahid Minar? When did Bangladesh achieve independence? We match the sentence. First, when did Bangladesh achieve independence? Bangladesh achieved independence in 1971. Now the next sentence, who is the artist of the Shahid Minar? Hamidur Rahman is the artist of the Shahid Minar. Next sentence, yes, I do. Do you love your motherland? Yes, I do. Okay, dear learners. Next or last sentence, do you disturb your friend? Yeah, no, I don't. I don't disturb our friend. Okay. Next sentence, dear friend. Make kites such on the tree, I can get it. Match the sentence. Rearrange the words into meaningful interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Yes, dear friend, first I done. Now, what is your name? It's a very interesting. What is your name? It's rearrange. It's a interrogative sentence. Now, who are you? Second sentence. Who are you? Whom do you want? Whom do you want? Interrogative sentence. Where does he live? Where does he live? WH question. The man is is the man sick? Is the man sick? Now the next sentence, the last rearrange. Are you going there? Are you going there? Dear student, we see the sixth sentence. What is your name? Who are you? Whom do you want? Where does he live? Is the man sick? Are you going there? These are interrogative sentence. WH question or yes or no question, we know interrogative sentence. Next, thank you. Now we will go to the next slide, dear. Dear learners, we see some sentence. A teacher teaching their student. Open your book. Keep silent. Don't talk. Please keep quiet. Open your book. Don't talk. Keep silent. Please keep silent. Quiet. Now next. These sentences are imperative sentence. Imperative sentences express command, order, instruction and request. Dear student, we know the don't talk, it's command. Next, keep silent is order. Open your book, instruction. Please keep quiet, it's request. We know the imperative sentence. These sentences are imperative sentence. Imperative sentence express command, order, instruction and request. Dear learners, I hope all of my students understand what is the imperative sentence. Next, Dear learners, we see a notice. Keep clean, use walk away only. Do not pluck flowers, do not litter. See the notice at the park. These are all imperative sentences. Okay, dear. Next. Find out the meaning part of the subject of the sentences. In an imperative sentence, the subject is you, the subject is left out. Left out. You. In the imperative sentence, the subject is you. The subject is you. The subject is left out. Left out. Next. How do we write imperative sentences? For writing affirmative imperative sentence, we use verb plus object, and for writing negative imperative sentence, we use do not, never plus verb plus object. Again I tell, dear student, for writing affirmative imperative sentences, we use verb plus object, and for writing negative imperative sentences, we use do not, never, verb, object. Okay, dear. Now write two imperative sentences for each picture. We see some picture, dear learners. I answer the question. Make friend with others. Never quarrel with friends. Make friend with others, but never quarrel with friends. Next picture. Do not shout. Be quiet. The last. Help the poor. Be kind to others. Help the poor. Be kind to others. All are imperative sentences. Yes. Dear learners, we see some picture. May you be happy in life. May you be happy in life. Long live the king. Merry Christmas. Sometimes we tell, long live our president, long live our teacher. Okay. Again I tell, may you be happy in life. Long live the king. Merry Christmas. These sentences expresses pray or wish. They are called optative sentence. Dear friend, this sentence express pray or wish. They are called optative sentence. Okay, dear student, I hope all of my students understand the optative sentence. Write two optative sentences for each picture. May our cricket team win the match. May our country win. Again I tell, may our cricket team win the match. May our country win. The next, may God bless you. May you get well soon. Write two optative sentence. Okay. I hope all of my students understand what is the optative sentence. Next, dear learners, we see some picture. Hurrah! Bangladesh has won the match. What a nice weather it is. How well behaved the girl is. Again I tell the sentence. Hurrah! Bangladesh has won the match. Bangladesh has won the match. What a nice weather it is. How well behaved the girl is. These sentences express strong emotion, happiness, love, etc. These are called exclamatory sentence. These are called exclamatory sentence. Dear student or dear learners, hurrah, Bangladesh has won the match. Hurrah, we have won the match. When sometime we tell, alas, I have undone. What a nice weather it is. How well behaved the girl. These are called exclamatory sentence. Okay, dear student. Next, an exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamatory mark. That's a mark, exclamatory mark. Rearrange the words correctly into exclamatory sentence. I hope all of my students to try the rearrange. How poor the man is. Then note of exclamation. How poor the man is. It's a exclamatory sentence. What a dirty place it is. Then exclamation sign. What a dirty place it is. Now, what a sad movie it was. Note of exclamation. Okay. What a sad movie it was. Now, how tasty the food is. Note of exclamation. Now the next sentence. Again, how charming the scenery is. Note of exclamation. Okay, dear friend, how poor the man is. What a dirty place it is. Note of exclamation. What a sad movie it was. Note of exclamation. How tasty the food is. Note of exclamation. How charming the scenery is. Okay, dear student, I hope all of my students understand what is the exclamatory sentence. Next, write one exclamatory sentence for each of the picture. Okay, how pretty the baby is. What a beautiful flower it is. How expensive necklace it. We saw three sentences. Write on exclamatory sentence. We can classify sentence into 5 groups. Okay, dear student. Name, type, example. First, assertive sentence, simple statement. Rohim is a brilliant student. Then I tell the first time of the lesson. Interrogative sentence, question. What is your favorite sports? Do you like milk? Imperative sentence, command, order, or request. Walk fast. Come in. Please keep quiet. It's an interrogative sentence. Imperative sentence. Optative sentence, pray or wish. Pray or wish. May you be happy in life. May our president long live. May Allah bless you. All are optative sentence. Exclamatory sentence, strong feelings by making an exclamation. Hurrah! Bangladesh has won the match. What a nice weather it was. Dear student, I hope all of my students see the white projector, the synopsis of sentence. We can classify sentence into 5 groups. There are assertive sentence, means 2 types, affirmative or negative, or interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Now the next, dear learners, read the sentence and identify their types. Drag from the last blue. Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, exclamatory sentence. What is this? His name. Interrogative sentence. Take exercise regularly. Take exercise regularly. Imperative sentence. May he live long. Optative sentence. The man is very strong. The man is very strong. Assertive sentence. What a strong baby he was. Dear learners, last what a strong body he has. Exclamatory sentence. Okay, dear learners. Next, write 5 types of sentence about the picture. Answer the sentence. Everyone is reading. Assertive sentence. Do you read newspaper? Interrogative sentence. Read attentively. Imperative sentence. May the student read more books. Optative sentence. What an interesting book it is. Exclamatory sentence. Dear student, we know the 5 sentences are their example. Everyone is reading. Assertive sentence. Do you read newspaper? Interrogative sentence. Read attentively. In imperative sentence. May the student read more books. Optative sentence. What an interesting book it is. Exclamatory sentence. Okay. Next, write 5 types of sentence about the picture. The girl is sick. Assertive sentence. Who is the girl? Interrogative sentence. Take rest. Imperative sentence. May you get well soon. Optative sentence. How sick the girl is. Exclamatory sentence. Dear student, we write 5 sentences. The girl is sick. Who is the girl? Take rest. May you get well soon. How sick the girl is. It's a 5 kinds of sentence. They are assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, exclamatory. Next. Okay, dear student, what have we learned in this lesson? Yes. Now we learned in this lesson. In this lesson, we have learned about 5 types of sentence. Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Dear student, I hope understand of all of my students the what kinds of sentences.